to the New York Auto School.
Hey guys, I passed my road test through the New York Auto School. I will have all of their information and links down below, so make sure to check it out and stay tuned for the videos. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about my road test. Dun, dun, dun. So if you guys want to know how my road test went through the New York Auto School, then please stay tuned and let's get right into the video. So when it comes to driving, I definitely would recommend taking a lesson right before your road test because you're gonna get all of those nerves out. Once you're in the car for a little bit, at least for me, and I think if you're a nervous person, this would possibly help you as well. Once you're in the car for a little bit, you just get more comfortable. So by the time you do have your road test, you're gonna be completely comfortable, at least being in the car. You're still probably gonna be nervous because I definitely was, but you're gonna be a lot more comfortable because you just had a lesson. My last lesson with the New York Auto School was in Yonkers, and that is where my road test took place anyways, so it worked out perfectly. I had an hour-and-a-half lesson right before, then I had like a little gap. So my lesson was around 8:15 to 9:45. And then I had a little gap and my road test was at 11:30. For the New York Auto School, I only had 4 lessons. All 4 were an hour-and-a-half each. So overall, 6 hours of professional lessons is what I had with the New York Auto School, and those 4 lessons prepared me completely for the road test. As you can see from my perspective, this is why I personally like the New York Auto School. Let me take you through how my experience of the road test went. So I had my lesson, I had a little break, and then at 11:30 it was time to go. So the lesson took place probably like 15 minutes from where I was having my original lesson at. So the instructor drove me there to the road test site, and then you just wait on this, like in a line, there's cars that come and you just wait like behind them until like they go take their road test, and then the examiner comes to your car. The instructor gives your documents over. That's your 5-hour certificate and your permit, and then you're all ready to go. So you get into the driver's seat. So this is exactly what happened to me. My documents were all given, and then I got into the driver's seat. The examiner jumped in the car in the passenger seat, said to get myself comfortable. I already had adjusted my mirrors, adjusted my seats. Then he said, okay, we can go. He explained what we were doing. We were doing a couple left turns, a couple right turns, parallel parking, and the 3-point U-turn. That's your road test. Keep in mind, as I said, I'm an anxious person, so I was shaking a lot, like a lot. He said you can go whenever you want. Turned on the car. I started going. So we found a place where I did. He told me to pull over so I can do the 3-point U-turn. So that's what I did. Did my 3-point U-turn. Okay, let's go. And then he said, okay, parallel park behind this car. So I did that. And then we drove right back to where the road test site and my instructor was waiting for me. Truly, I was nervous as hell. So if I was nervous and I still got it done, you can do it too. Even when I got out the car, I was still shaking. But anyways, when we got back to the road test site, he said, okay, and he put void on my 5-hour certificate. And I'm thinking, what is happening? And then he gave that back to me. He said, okay, I'm gonna give this back to you. He gave that back to me. And then he said, you passed, but I need to print out this receipt. I was just in complete shock. So overall, I got just 10 points. I wasn't looking as much as they wanted me to look when I was either doing the U-turn or the parking. But that's all I got. You need 30 points to fail, and I got 10, so I passed. So he gave me the receipt, and that is my license for the next 2 weeks until my official driver's license comes in the mail. I am so excited. I am an official licensed driver. Yay! I'm so grateful and thankful to the New York Auto School for helping me get prepared for this test. But my instructor never once doubted me. Instead, what he did, he said, you're just gonna go there and do your best because that's all you can do. Give it a shot. That is exactly what I did. So that boosted my confidence. I definitely appreciate the New York Auto School because of that. Everything about them is worth every dime that you will spend on the lessons and the road tests and them driving you there, the car service. I would recommend you get that too because they know what they're doing, okay? New York Auto School knows what they're doing. I can attest to that, trust me. And if you guys even know me in person, I'm a very anxious person. So if I can do it, you can do it. just get the school that believes in you, and from my recommendations, that would be this one. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on my experience with the New York Auto School, driving lessons all the way to the road test and being a licensed driver. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, comment them down below. I'll be happy to answer those. And thank you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.